So here in this question, they have given a function fx equals to square root 25 minus x square. They have asked to find the domain, that is capital D. So find the domain of this function root of 25 minus x square. The function should be defined. Okay, this function is defined if and only if this value 25 minus x square, this value must be greater than or equal to 0, because if root takes negative value, then it will become complex imaginary part. Okay, imaginary value. Okay, and function is not defined for the imaginary or the complex number or complex value, we can say. Complex means for imaginary part only. Okay, for negative square root, function is not defined. So that's why the 25 minus x square should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so but it should not take any negative value. Okay, so 25 minus x square should be greater than or equal to 0. So we can solve this inequality. We will get 25 is greater than or equals to x square. We have taken x square on the right side, so we can rearrange the terms like this. X square is less than or equals to 25. If we take the square root, we will get x is lies between plus 5 and minus 5. So domain D, capital D is nothing but from minus 5 to 5. So it is set, but we always write the set, we always write the domain in interval form. Okay, so it is closed form. Okay, it is equals to. Okay, x is greater than or equals to, x is lesser than or equals to. That's why we are using closed brackets. Okay, so it is domain is the set only. Okay, but we always write the domain or the range or the codomain in the form of intervals. Okay, so we are using closed interval here, minus 5 to 5. So this is the required answer. So here we can see we have taken the square root, that's why we got the minus 5 to 5. Let's say if x square is greater than or equals to 25. So in this case what happen, if we take the root, if we take the square root, then we will get the domain as minus infinity to minus 5 union plus 5 to infinity. Okay, so students always made a mistake in this type of question. Okay, so when x square is less than or equals to 25, so x must be lies between minus 5 to 5. If x square is greater than or equals to 25, okay, it means that the value is always greater than 5 or equals to 5. It is never less than 5. Okay, but here we can say the value of x is less than 5 or it is equals to 5. So this is the basic difference. Okay, so student must understand. So our answer is D equals to minus 5 to